Hello everybody. I'm just doing a quick video here just to show you where the ScreenPal tutorial is, because I think it's really important that everybody take a moment and just view the short video on how to use ScreenPal so that you have a handle on how to make the video with your assignment that's expected to be due towards the end of the semester. But rather than waiting to the last minute, I'm really trying to encourage you to get a view of it just beforehand, just so that you don't get all upset and panicky about what's up ahead. So let's have a look. Under Course Essentials, and then Essential Course Documents, and then to the important documents. This is where you got your syllabus. I see that some of you have not yet downloaded the syllabus. That's going to be important, so please do so. That's it right here. There's the assignment and some topic ideas, and there's the ScreenPal tutorial. Now, if you scroll down further, I have some success tips for online classes, time management, PDF document making, device calendar, and then there's the ScreenPal tutorial. So please take some time. It's only a short video, but it's an important one that you won't be too surprised when it comes up, and you'll have a familiarity of what is ahead of you, and I think that's very helpful. All right, so good luck everybody. Keep up the good work. Bye for now.